Tonight, thousands of homes and businesses are still without power across northeastern Pennsylvania after Friday's first snowstorm of the season.
The wet, heavy snow taking down trees and power lines across the area. Newswatch 16's Melissa Steininger joins us live in our Wyoming Valley newsroom in Wilkes-Barre. Melissa.
Yes, Scott, Lisa, while much of the snow has either melted or been cleaned up throughout much of Luzerne County, people in the Mountaintop area are still in the dark, going on their fourth day without lights, power, or water. The chainsaws are roaring across parts of Mountaintop. As the snow is melting, now begins the cleanup process for both businesses and homeowners alike.
When we were out shoveling snow, we started hearing trees cracking, and falling down all throughout the neighborhood.
Several of those downed trees now sit in Thomas Thompson's front yard. He says the wet and heavy snow caused a bunch of damage he really wasn't expecting.
Then the one fell and it actually hit the house. It's minor damage. We have some siding damage, but yeah, so then we were just holding our breath for the next night. Even through the night, we lost power until about 3 a.m.
Just up the road in the Glen Summit section of Mountaintop, neighbors are going into their fourth day without power.
I was like, oh, a little snow is beautiful this time of year, but then it just kept coming and coming and coming, and 18 inches later, we knew the power was going to take a hit. We just weren't sure when.
Even with a portable generator, these families use wells, which means no water ahead of the holidays.
This we're not really prepared for, especially not going into Thanksgiving and all of the prep work leading up to the big dinner. It's a lot you can't do, even with a generator.
Glen Summit's power was estimated to be back up and running Sunday night, but still today, they're left in the dark.
You just have to be prepared and hope for the best. And we're saying a lot of prayers for the linemen, like, please do your best.
As the lights will hopefully soon come on and the branches are cleaned up, these Mountaintop residents say they're not really sure what Mother Nature will bring for the rest of winter.
Oh yes, very surprised to see it this early. But I wouldn't be surprised if we don't see anything again like this. That's just the way it is anymore. You can't predict what the weather's going to be like from one month to the next.
And as crews continue to work to restore that power across Luzerne County, PP&L is reminding people that they work to restore the most populated areas first, then go on to those smaller neighborhoods, and then those individual homes and businesses are targeted after that. But live tonight in the Wyoming Valley newsroom, Melissa Steininger, Newswatch 16.